growth momentum is expected to be continuing, except for the cross-currency impacts which the whole industry is going to deal with. But otherwise, the firing, if you look at multiple areas, the productivity drive is definitely making us more competitive, as a result of which the winning rate in the hunting part of our business is done well. On the mining side, we did very well about 1.5 years back. It has sort of a little bit slowed down because of the India business as well as the oil and gas problem that we have. And you will see that picking up momentum over the next few quarters. So I think this organizational change in terms of we adding on a COO with a little bit of consolidation, which allows the CEO to spend a little more time on the driving the change in the business, particularly in the areas like digital or Internet of Things and open source and big data, etc., will definitely now help us to accelerate that engine of growth in the new areas much faster.
Jatin is filling your shoes for finance. Will Rishad Premji be filling your shoes at the board level for the board seat?
If you look at the board, I don't think we have any kind of a limit that so many number of people will be on the board, so many will not be, etc., etc. All you need to have is independent directors should be majority as compared to the executive board. And therefore, we have a lot of headspace to add independent directors as well as executive board. So it is not necessarily a question of filling in a board sheet. But as day progresses, as he progresses, I think I have been fortunate to be having him as part of my team for many, many years. And he's a very bright person, moved from business to investor relations to treasury to M&A to strategy, etc., and has developed very well and is a very, very bright person. And his capabilities are becoming more sharpened and more interesting as you go forward. But that does not necessarily mean he goes into the board today, tomorrow, day after. I think there is a nomination committee which deals with that aspect. So I don't want to sort of in any manner prejudge that. But eventually, over a period of time, would he be a right person to be on the board? Of course. The answer is clearly yes.
But you've always been a numbers man. So can I safely assume that any future venture will be all about the financial sector stroke IT interlinkation?
Can't rule that out, but can't say that will be the only case.
Would you be associating yourself with Wipro in any advisory role, directly or indirectly?
Yeah, that is true, because I will be there on the board of the non-IT part of the businesses like Wipro Enterprise as well as Wipro GE. And also I'll be there on advisor capacity for Wipro Limited, yes.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/ETNow and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at ETNowLive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/ETNow.